Hello guys, this is my third video of playing Valorant. Today's video is going to be shorter than the last
Cool.
one.
Let's go.
Thank you for all the views that I have been getting lately, since I don't know why this is happening, but my videos are exploding kind of these days. Since I started with 5 views when I post, and at night, like I get 40 or 50. This is massive for me, and I hope that you'll continue watching me. For anyone wondering, since I saw one of
A bunch of Zarko want to fight us. They must really want to die.
had a question on what servers I play. Well, I play on Istanbul servers. Wondering. Oh wait, stuff. Okay. So let's continue with today's video. Today's video is going to be, as I said before, shorter. Since I have to go in a bit, and I wanted to post to see how many views I could get in 1 hour and a half. As you can see, they're going to plant the spike in B. Go find them. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I died here. I think that
Last player standing.
it looks like we're going to lose, but I have trust. Well, I don't speak really loudly.
May the wind guide your blades, Jet. And
Right. Anyone? Oh, as you can see, I thought my team turned on voice chat for a minute, so I had to test it. What is happening? Oh, nothing. I think that since they planted it once in B, they want us to trick ourselves by going again in B. But this time I think that they're going to plant it in O. My plans just got demolished. The map doesn't load me, as the minimap doesn't show her location. That is really weird. I have been selling those 2 rounds. I didn't play really well. As I was saying before, thank you for the views. I have also been getting great comments that also encourage me to keep going, but I don't care if any hate comments approach us.
take out Cypher's cameras. He's weak when he's blind.
Someone said something about Cypher's cameras. Yeah, I'm going A, because now I think that they're gonna push A. If they're still going to be pushing B, I don't know the technique that they have in their minds.
Let's make them dance. Enemy spotted B.
B again. Oh.
Bye.
Dead?
Enemy spotted B.
That's kind of a free kill, but do they have vandals? No. Oh, come on. I die by the same person. That is kind of irritating, if you ask me.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
To see if we've been losing these 3 rounds. Oh.
Parasite.
I think that's a good clutch. Maybe. No. Okay. I need money so I can buy the Vandal. And if I have the Vandal, I think I will be able to do something. Oh. Shh. No, not saying bad words. Yeah, I already know what they're going to do. If they actually pop up in A, I'm gonna be surprised. And something's happening with my FPS while I play in the same servers.
Found them.
Enemy spotted B.
My mouse.
Spike planted.
It's happening. Oh my god. Yeah.
Last player standing.
Let's see. Oh, it works. Well, yeah, there's a problem with my mouse. If I raise it, if I raise it in the air, it just stops working, and I have to reconnect it. And by the time I reconnect it, I think I'm already dead. Yeah, if anyone can like help me with this problem, I think it's because of the cable.
Can I get a drop?
Just hear those Microsoft something sounds. Because the mouse is like a Microsoft one. Wired.
Time to jump.
And it's kind of old too, so I can't blame it.
There they are.
It's you and me.
It's you and me. Then one.
You had your fun. My turn.
What the f— Sorry. Oh, I died. Again. Yay. Yeah, I hate Clove. Like, she can just respawn when I kill her. And the kill is like, it's an actual kill. Like, if I load this thing, it shows me that I have got the kill. And she just like becomes a ghost. And you can't hit her, I think.
My ult is ready. Back to work.
Come on, yeah, I think we lost. Probably. No? Yes! Maybe we entered the flow state after all.
Their luck ran out.
Oh, hell. Oh, sorry. My mouse had a problem. Yeah, I'm going A with this one. As you have been seeing right now, I am not using my abilities.
There they are. I am the hunter.
Okay, I'll pop from behind them, and I think it is going to work just like it's on. Wait.
Enemy spotted B.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Out of here. Enemy spotted B.
Yeah.
Spike down B.
What time is it?
Last player
Oh.
standing.
Yeah, in like 40 minutes I have to go, so I don't know if I can make the video smaller. So I will post till like round 9 or 10. And if the quality and stuff of the video are being liked by me, then I'll post it.
Let's make some chaos.
The hunt begins.
And like one of the agents that I hate, is definitely the skin. Oh, come on. Real, bro? Oh. Wait. I have an idea. What? How? How?
Spike planted.
Yeah, I just wasted 2 major abilities.
Enemy spotted mid.
As you can see, I think I'm not playing the same way I used to,
Last
like
player standing.
yesterday and 2 days ago. Just know this is the third part of the series of grinding till ranked.
If you're not a good shot today, don't worry. There are other ways to be useful.
I will then, after the end of that series of grinding till ranked, I'll make a series about going to Immortal or Radiant. I will see if the clan, my friends, not the clan, if my friends actually like care about the game and making it into a big rank. Because like if you don't have a team, how would you play the game? It's a team game. Yeah, as you could see, they're going A, and I have been hitting lots of headshots in this match. Let me get Guardian. What is that? Yeah. It was my mistake, obviously. Why did I dash in like
Cutting through.
this wide passage? Oh, double kill. I think we can win this round since it's a 2v2, but Clove has her revive
planted.
thing. Oh. It's in A or B. Wait, let me check them up. It's in A or B.
Last player standing.
Oh, A. A. Where are you going? Oh my god. Really? Really? For the skin? I guess he wants to save it for later. Yeah. Yeah. I think I did that for just for the skin, yep.
My quiver is never full.
Predicted. Wanna buy the Odin, but I don't want to be a spammer.
I need a drop.
And by the way, I haven't tried out most of the weapons, so I think that makes me like new. I have tried Sword, Ghost, Seraph, but not like the shotguns. Come on! Oh,
Spike down.
if I
A.
died, I would be so mad. Oh, we defeated the spike carrier. Oh. Yes, it's just going. Yeah. I think that it's not worth it. Oh,
Remaining.
You had your fun.
sorry.
My
You
turn.
got this. Oh, she revived. Yeah. Obvious. They should nerf her or like rework her. Because that is just like her ability is good. But I think that she needs a rework. Come on, they're playing the spy. You can do it.
Spike planted.
Come on, she's going to pop there. She's in the corner. Left of you. No, he's checking. And he died. He could have killed her, but yeah. Okay, round 10, I guess I will in this video till around 10. Let me check how much time I have been.
Can I get a drop?
15 minutes. Approximately I could reach just like 20 minutes. If that is also you should recommend me if I could try out swords. But swords are not good at making sword content. I like my content being long and entertaining rather than large amounts of content. But well, I also don't want to criticize sword creators since there are Valorant sword creators that are way bigger and better probably than me since it started out. What is she doing?
Last player standing.
Okay. Yeah, I think that I should look in, but I think it's obvious now that we're going to lose. Why people don't equip the scope? Riot added scopes to the game for a reason. And now you guys surrender, yeah.
Still ringing.
I don't want to criticize my team yet. Because they could reach the flow state, but they want to surrender, so... Oh, sorry. They're going B, and it's obvious. Oh, hell no! Oh. I guess, pretty much, you're just going to see my team dying. Come on, you got this. Oh, yeah. 1v4. He has the chances. He has the weapon. He just needs to have his persistence and aiming. Come on, there. Why? Oh,
You had your fun. My turn.
oh, really, bro? Oh, kill her. Yeah, why are you going like that?
Last round in the half.
So this last round, okay?
Can I get a drop?
Yeah, you request Odin. Really? I think I have the most kills, or no? No, I'm third. My team, Sova, I think is the best teammate in my team. If I could assist Sova, it would be great. Please don't die. Yep. Nope. No. Not today. Yes. From where are they shooting us? Clear?
One enemy remaining.
Here. Come on. 3
I know
versus
exactly
1.
where you are.
2 versus 1.
Cutting their vision.
Come on. Just scope. Yeah? Scope. Reload.
30 seconds left. Last player standing.
if we also lose this one. It was a 3v1. I died. I was also low. So yeah.
10 seconds left.
Oh wait. Where's he going? Just hide. Just hide. Just hide. For those 2 seconds. Hide. Okay. Yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. And hope you enjoyed.
Switching sides.